Thanks for calling Hampton Inn. Kenna speaking. How may I help you?
Hello there, my name's Hopkins. I just want to call to cancel my stay because my son was playing with my debit card.
You want to cancel?
Yeah, my son accidentally booked a stay with my debit card, so I want to cancel.
What is this reservation for?
Oh, the reservation was for 7th to 9th. What was that?
Last name?
Oh, Hopkins.
Spell that.
Hopkins.
And what's your first name?
Yes. What?
Do you have a confirmation number?
My confirmation number, hang on a second, hang on, I gotta ask my wife. Paisley, what's the confirmation number? Hang on a sec, I'll be right back.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Hello, who is this?
Sorry?
Who is this?
Do you have a confirmation number for this name?
What?
Connor, get away. Hi, sorry about that, my son is so goofy, I'm my bad. The confirmation number is, I think it's 38.
No, that's not the party reservation.
Oh, I don't know, it might,
11th, you said?
yeah, 7th to 9th,
And repeat your last name, H?
Opkins.
P as in Thomas or P as in Paul?
P as in Paul.
Okay, HOP.
Kins.
I don't see that reservation here.
Oh, because it just appeared on my billing statement. I do not know if it actually processed.
And it's for the Hampton Inn?
Yeah. According to what I saw on my statement. Sorry, my son, he's very goofy, just did that all of a sudden.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
I don't see the reservation here.
Oh, it's not go through? Oh, because it's on my pending charges right now on my debit card.
But what does it say on your
Says it was like
what does it say?
Says like 793.94.
No, with the statement it says the amount, and what does it say next to it? What
Hampton
Hampton
Inn.
and what? When does it show that was charged?
It showed just yesterday. He must have been playing with my card like last night without me noticing.
Do you have the card number?
I don't at the moment. I don't know what happened to the card though. Connor, where'd you put the card?
What card?
The card they use for to book the stay.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You would literally just play with my cards.
What?
Give me the card now.
Oh, fine.
Oh, I'm having trouble reading this though. I can't read the last four numbers. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I need the full card number so I could search it up through that because I can't. It's not coming up under your name, so it may be.
Okay. Should I just call my bank directly about it?
Yeah, just try to call your bank directly and see what they tell you.
All right.
Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Connor, look at all the trouble you put me through. Do not ever do this again.
I'm never gonna get back to me that quick.
Do not ever do that again. You hear me?